Hello everyone, welcome back to the Code Engineer. In today's Python tutorial, we are going to learn about commands. Commands start with hash line. It is a single line command. It is not executed while running. What is the purpose of command means? Other users can understand our coding. Other users can understand code. Here I am going to write coding. Si equal to P star or star T divided by 100. I'm going to write command for this line. Other users, what is this? Going to check the line. What is the purpose of write this code? Here I'm going to write command for this line. Calculate simple interest. Now we are going to discuss about multi-line commands. There is no special symbol for multi-line commands. We have special symbol for single line command hash symbol. In multi-line command, we don't have any symbol in Python to specify the multi-line commands. Here we are going to use triple single quote or triple double quotes used to specify the multi-line commands. Triple single or triple double quotes to specify multi-line commands. Here I am using triple single quotes, starting with triple single quote and ending with triple single quote. Inside we have or item two or more lines. That's why you can say it is a multi-line command. Print. I'm going to print simple message here. The commands are not executed. The welcome message will be executed here. Suppose I'm going to, instead of single quote, I'm going to use triple double quotes. Here also end with triple double quotes. Once again, I'm going to run our program. Same output. So